Welcome to my channel Zubi Dooby TV. Like, share and subscribe.
A for aeroplane, goes so high. A for ant, teeny and small. B for ball, bounce up high. B for bear, big and strong. C for cow, gives milk every day. C for cup, sip sip sound. D for doll, pretty and sweet. D for door, open it wide. E for eye, we see the light. E for egg, in the nest found. F for flower, bloom so bright. F for frog, jumps with delight. G for girl, happy and kind. G for gorilla, strong you will find. H for house, where we stay. H for hand, we clap and play. I for iron, shiny and strong. I for ice, cold all along. J for jam, sweet and red. J for joker, funny head. K for kangaroo, jump so high. K for kitten, small and shy. L for lemon, sour and yellow. L for lamp, shine so mellow. M for mountain, tall and wide. M for mouse, runs so hide. N for notebook, we write and draw. N for net, catch all. O for onion, makes us cry. O for ox, strong and high. P for parrot, talks all day. P for panda, eats bamboo all the way. Q for queen, wear a crown. Q for quilt, soft and brown. R for ring, shiny and round. R for rose, best flower found. S for star, twinkle bright. S for strawberry, pink delight. T for tomato, red and sweet. T for toast, yummy to eat. U for uniform, neat and clean. U for unicorn, magical scene. V for village, calm and green. V for vegetable, healthy and clean. W for window, open wide. W for wolf, runs outside. X for X-ray, bones we see. X for Xmas tree, full of glee. Y for yogurt, creamy and cool. Y for York, strong and tall. Z for zigzag, up and down. Z for zipper, pulls around. Bye bye children. See you in the next content. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.